Zambia, a land of breathtaking natural beauty, where lush greenery meets the dramatic roar of the mighty Victoria Falls, and wildlife thrives across sweeping savannas. Yet, Zambia's richness extends beyond its landscape. It is a nation endowed with abundant natural resources. Among these, copper stands out, historically recognized by many Bantu nations that ventured further south as Dzutshe, Dzutshe, or Tusi, meaning black rock. But today, we delve into the deeper story behind Zambia's name, tracing its connections to the shared history of the African continent. As we research the origins of the name Zambia, a fascinating narrative unfolded, one that ties into the linguistic and cultural threads shared by Bantu-speaking people across Africa. The name Zambia derives from the word for sky in Chichewa, where sky is expressed as tambo, zombo, or zombo. This term echoes throughout various Bantu languages and cultures. In the southern part of the continent, surnames like Mtambo, Mutambi, and Mzamba reveal this shared linguistic heritage. The surname Zomba is particularly intriguing as it connects to the Dube or Duba clan, where Duba, from the Chichewa word Zuwa, means sun, hinting at an ancient link to solar symbolism and reverence. Though this is not a religious channel where we delve into deities, at times, history intertwines with mythology. In the case of Zambia, we see references to Nzambi Mpungu, regarded as the sun god or father of the sky, Langa or Zulu by many Bantu traditions. The Bantu people, who migrated southward over centuries, carried these beliefs with them. They were known as the Hongwe Nation or the Falcon Tribe, named after Mantu, a deity depicted with the head of an eagle. Mantu was considered a guardian and wanderer of the sky, linking back to Mizraim, also known as Osiris, known in various ancient traditions as Muzuru or Musiri, with Shiri or Siri meaning bird. This symbolism extended to Horus, Heru, or Helios, the sun and sky god, also referred to as Langa in Bantu languages, shaping their identity as the Abakalanga, or people of the sun. Connecting this narrative to the present day, we find that the name Nzambi means sky, aligning with Mbinguni in Kiswahili. From this root comes the nation known as the Nguni, people of the sky. Similarly, Zambinzi, translating to water from the sky, is an ancient name for the Zambezi River. This river, the lifeblood of the region, reinforces the spiritual and etymological journey from the skies to the land, rainwater, forming the name Zambia, the sky or the heavens. This connection extends across the continent to South Africa, where we find KwaZulu, the land of the sky, and the Zulu people, or AmaZulu, who are part of the Nguni lineage. The shared name signifies their identity as people of the sky, mirroring the essence of Zambia's name. Zambia's name embodies more than a mere geographical marker. It's a testament to the linguistic and cultural ties that weave through the Bantu nations across Africa. From the northern reaches of the continent to the southernmost lands, this shared heritage enriches the story of a nation known as the Land of the Sky. If you enjoyed this exploration of Zambia's history and the deep-rooted connections it shares with Africa, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories. Your support helps us continue to uncover the remarkable tales that shape our world.